tape-ins again. Like I would never, I couldn't even imagine a whole head of that. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I have a hair tutorial as well as a little review. I want to say thank you to YWigs for sponsoring this video. They sent over some micro weft bundles. So they sent 3 bundles of 22 inches in yaki straight. Yaki straight, like I've never had it before, but yaki straight is that girl. I cannot wait to get yaki straight from now on, like in my sew-ins and like any type of extensions I'm going to do, clip-ins, it's going to be yaki straight. Like this texture blends with my natural silk pressed hair so good. It's so full, like the texture match is just impeccable. And like, I'm not even going to lie to y'all, this is not fresh. I mean, it's not old, but it's probably been in for about maybe 5 days. Like it's not like brand new. And like my hair has already hit humidity, my hair has already done its thing, and you cannot even, like, it just blends so seamlessly. So I went with yaki straight from YWigs, like I said before, and this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. It's very soft. It is just really, really good quality. Full from root to tip. Like it's not, it doesn't do that little weird thing at the end where it gets like real skinny and skimpy. And this is what the wefts look like. So they have microlink beads on the weft. And I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with microlinks, but that is when you use just one of these beads and like a single strand of hair, and you connect that strand and the bead to a piece of your hair. This is just 20 times easier in my opinion. Like I love the like braidless sew-ins, and that is when you use these beads to make like a row in your hair, and then you sew on a track. So you don't even have to do none of that with this. It's already, the beads are already there. So you basically just use this tool. So where's the tool? So they sent me like a toolkit. Let me get into what they sent. So they sent me a bag like this. This says YWigs with the bundles in it, with this cute little witch hair clip, so cute for Halloween. And then they sent like a toolkit, so it had like pliers and then this little type of thingamabobber to connect your hair through the bead. It's so hard to explain, but it's so easy to do. So you take this tool, you slip it through the bead, the microlink bead, and then you grab your hair, put it through this hole, pull it down together, and then clamp. You'll see later on in the video how I do it. I'm not even gonna lie, it was a little learning curve because I really can't see the back of my head too well. So I would highly recommend a mirror or a monitor, phone, something that you can just see the back of your head easier, because that was the difficult part for me. I almost gave up because I was like, I can't do this. And then it wasn't that it was hard, the actual process, it just I couldn't see back there. So I did do it another time and I got it going, and once you get the hang of it, it's really, really easy. It took me maybe 2 hours or so, and like the first time when I was trying to do it, I couldn't see the back, I was rushing, I had somewhere to go. I'm like, this is just not going to work. So I recommend taking your time so that you can actually see what you're doing, and so that you won't do any damage to your hair or anything like that. So take your time and do it. It is doable. You can do this at home, ladies. I don't know how other like professional stylists feel about it, but they charge too much. I'm just gonna, the tea is they charge too much. They have too many rules and policies. It's hard to even get an appointment. So ladies, learn a skill like the men do. The men learn their skills, women learn a skill. Do your own hair. It's not that hard. It's really not that hard. I'm gonna show you in the video how I did it. I basically sectioned off the leave out, and then I did all of my perimeter. So the back of my hair is out, not a lot of it, and then like the sides and the part. And with this, it is so much better than tape-ins, because tape-ins are really damaging to your hair. I know I did a video, I'll have it linked somewhere, of how I achieved a fuller bob with tape-ins. I did not do my whole head in tape-ins. I maybe had like 3 or 4 3 or 4, and that was all I did. And even then, like when I was taking it out, I was like, I will never do this again. Now I should do like an update on that video. Never doing tape-ins again. Like I would never, I couldn't even imagine a whole head of that. And I only had like just this front pieces in. So no, ladies, please do this instead of tape-ins. And tape-ins is not for our hair texture. It's not. I don't care what anybody says. It's not. The maintenance on tape-ins is crazy. It's damaging to your hair when it's not taken out right, and it can still tug and pull at the scalp. This is the thing. If you need some extensions and you want them to look realistic, X the tape-ins, get your Microlinks wefts, or even just regular Microlinks. I just highly recommend. So like I said, I do have my perimeter out. I can put my hair in a half pony. I can put my hair in a full pony. So cute, like a little messy pony. I wore it like this yesterday. I can do a bun. Like, I could do all the things with this. I can wrap it at night, and like the maintenance is just so good. Like I said, this texture just makes it so much easier to maintain. Like when my hair gets a little poofy, this gets a little poofy. Like it just really mimics like natural pressed hair. Like I just cannot recommend yaki straight enough. And I didn't get kinky straight, I got yaki straight, because my natural hair texture is like a 4C or something like that. I don't know, I have straighter ends somewhere, and then some curls are tighter, some curls are looser. So when I press my hair, it does get silky. Like it does get straight. It's just over time, it's not going to stay that silky. And I like that this hair just blends as your silk press gets older. This just blends. So I just highly recommend the yaki straight. Like I said, this is from YWigs, and I'm going to jump right into the tutorial.
Stop playing with them, Riot. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I pose. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, baby, on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga patty got a bag. Nigga much ain't ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Got the jetty, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Bitch be pressed, like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass on fat with the waist on sleep. Change your hair, pretty gon' beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a cylinder. 20 to thin on the couch, went out of town, fuck if we feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing Balenciaga flex. Like me, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glistening on my boo. They gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Future G from editing. So I was out of frame when I did the fronts closer to my leave out, so you do not see that, but basically I just did the same thing that I did and continued it row by row in like a U shape till I got to my leave out. I layered the hair and curled it, and that's it. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not even going to talk about how I took a 5-month break. I'm not even going to talk about it. We may talk about it later, but we ain't talking about it right now. So just watch this video and enjoy, and sound off in the comments. Talk to me, let me know. I am back. I hate to say that. I am back, because I don't want to like be back and then be fake back and take another break, but I think I am back. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.